Today we are doing some cheek filler. And cheek filler, the kind we're using today, is made of hyaluronic acid, which is what we have in our skin to begin with. We just lose it as we age, because we don't make it as much as we used to, but we have a nasty little enzyme in our skin that eats up our natural hyaluronic acid. So what we do is we replace it with filler. And each syringe of filler is only 1/5 of a teaspoon. So there's not a lot of material here. So people always get very nervous, like they're gonna look bad or something. But as long as you have a good injector, they're watching what they're doing, you have a mirror, you can watch yourself, you won't overdo it if you're just paying attention. And again, it's 1/5 of a teaspoon. So I'm gonna show you a typical injection of cheek filler. So our patient's been numbing with the ice. Oh, you gave yourself a nice chilled cheek. That's perfect. Okay, you ready? We're gonna start right here. 1, 2, 3. Hi, hi, hi. Perfect. You okay here? Awesome. Okay. And a little bit of love right there. Okay. Oh, so cute. Yeah. See, it makes a difference right away. I'm gonna come down just a little bit. 1, 2, 3. Hello. We're looking for bone right there. There we are. Okay. And we're going to put a little bit right there too. Awesome sauce. And I'm going to come out. You doing all right? Awesome. So pretty. Okay, so let's go to the other side. So I'm going to have you ice the other side for me. 1, 2, 3. Hello. There we go. Perfect. Okay. You're right here? Good job. I love doing cheeks because it just changes. Oh, it doesn't change, but it just helps everything. It helps lift, even all the way down to here. It's pretty. I'm going to go a little bit lower right here now. 1, 2, 3. Hi. I'm going to do a little bit right there. Awesome.